Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, free-claude-code, a project that unlocks the power of Anthropic's Claude coding model completely for free. It seamlessly integrates this advanced AI assistant directly into your workflow, whether you're in the terminal, your VSCode editor, or even on Discord with voice support. What if you could get the refined user experience of a premium AI coding assistant, but without being locked into its expensive, proprietary engine? This project explores that exact idea. It decouples a best-in-class developer tool from its mandatory paid service, and its rapid growth suggests many developers are paying close attention. The project is called free-claude-code, and it was created by developer Alicia Ryer. At its core, it's a sophisticated proxy server. It lets you use Anthropic's Claude Code clients, whether in the terminal or VSCode, but it routes the API requests to other models from NVIDIA, Ollama, and more. The project's popularity is undeniable. It has already accumulated over 26,000 stars, with more than 500 added in just a single day. On top of that, it has been forked nearly 4,000 times, showing widespread interest and active engagement from the community. So, what's the core problem this project solves? It's all about vendor lock-in. Anthropic's Claude Code offers a powerful suite of developer tools, but they are tied exclusively to its official paid API. This forces developers into a single ecosystem, which limits their choice of models and creates a direct cost barrier. Before this project, developers had a tough choice: either pay for Anthropic's service to use their tools, or give up the tools entirely to use other models. But free-claude-code takes a unique approach. It doesn't try to replace the tool. Instead, it intercepts the tool's communications, effectively making the front-end client talk to a backend of the user's choice. Digging into the technology, free-claude-code is an API gateway built on the Python framework FastAPI. Its real technical brilliance, however, lies in its protocol translation middleware. You can think of it as a universal translator for AI conversations. The Claude Code clients expect API responses in a very specific format using server-sent events, or SSE. This includes unique markers for when the model is thinking. This project captures traffic from backends like NVIDIA NIM or a local Ollama instance, which speak a different dialect often similar to OpenAI's API. It then translates that traffic in real time into the precise Anthropic format. This process includes normalizing everything from streaming content and tool usage to error messages. Another key feature is its local request optimization. The proxy intelligently intercepts simple queries like token counts and answers them locally without ever contacting the backend model. This saves both time and potential costs. So, what does this look like for a developer in the real world? It means running the Claude Code extension in VSCode, but having all AI assistants powered by a free local model through Ollama, even when you're offline. A team could also deploy the proxy on a server and integrate it with a Discord bot. This would allow team members to collaborate on coding tasks remotely. The barrier to entry is quite manageable for its target audience. While it does require installing Python and running a server from the command line, the project includes an intuitive local admin UI. This interface helps manage API keys and model routing, which lets users bypass complex configuration files. The community response has been overwhelmingly positive. Users are celebrating the project's ability to dramatically lower costs and increase flexibility. Many praise it for unlocking Claude Code's premium experience for students and individual developers who couldn't afford it otherwise. While direct negative reviews are hard to find, related discussions do bring up valid security concerns. Any third-party proxy handling sensitive API keys is a risk, as is the long-term dependency on unofficial client behavior. This brings us to a critical point. The project's greatest strength is also its Achilles heel: its deep dependency on unstable interfaces. It's tightly coupled to the behavior of both the unofficial Claude Code client and the APIs of 10 different providers. Any change from Anthropic or a backend provider could break its functionality, creating a constant maintenance challenge. Furthermore, It centralizes sensitive API keys into a single application. If that application is misconfigured and exposed to the internet, it could become a significant security liability. In the end, free-claude-code is more than just a utility. It's a statement on software freedom. It's a powerful demonstration of how clever engineering can dismantle walled gardens and restore choice to the developer. This matters because it represents a strong, developer-led push against vendor lock-in in the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.